Hi guys, good morning. So now let us see what are your twin flames messages to you for the first half of April. Okay, what are your twin flames messages for the first half of April? Wow, 10 of Cups. I'm so happy. First card is the strongest card. Energy is very strong for a happy family, starting of a happy family with kids, with lot of financial abundance, everything. 9 of Wands. But even though you have united, or even though you're having visions to live this, 10 of Cups energy is like you are longing, you are wishing to live that. But 9 of Wands is like you still have so much of unhealed wounds because of the past incidents given by the people whom you felt they're very close to my heart. That betrayal by others, you could not bear that betrayal by others, so you kept yourselves like very defensive. Nobody should come near me. You isolated yourselves. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to trust anybody. I don't want to mingle with people. See, you have not yet healed, but because of these betrayals, because of all these sufferings you have undergone, all these traumas, you have learned so much of life lessons, and you have learned so much of like this is a world works out. This is how, even if they are going to parents, they'll be like this only. All that you have learned. Now you are feeling like, yeah, this is a world rotates. And in this such a world with such people, we have to learn how we have to survive. So that is what you have learned. Now that one complete circle is over, now you are ready for a new beginning. And that new beginning, as far as I know, seeing all these cards, is like you are ready for the healing. You're getting ready to get healed. Do self analysis report for all your identity crisis. Until now, whatever world said this is who you are, now you are breaking all those. You are reinventing yourselves. You are knowing this is who I am in a deeper sense, and you are healing all your traumatic parts. See, next card is Four of Wands. Four of Wands is like in a bright daylight. Both of them are happy, both of them are dancing, celebrating, both of them are enjoying, and both of them are like very energetic, enthusiastic, enjoying the day sun, and very happy vibes to their utmost inner core energy. They are enjoying to that level, they are okay. So you have undergone all these sufferings. Now you are feeling, why I have to keep on sitting in the sufferings? I'm ready for a new beginning. So at least from this new beginning, let me enjoy life. That is what is this energy. Four of Wands. See, Hierophant. Hierophant is like who lives in both the worlds, higher realms as well as lower realm. His energy lives in the higher realms, always being with spiritual beings and divine source, all like that. His physical body lives in the earth. Okay, his only job is to deliver all the messages from higher realms, like get it as receive it as downloads and come and give it to the people in the uh, lower realm, like in the earth. Okay, so his job is like he's by individual nature. He's like he knows his duality. He has to live in the lower realm, but his energy is in the upper realm. So now he knows how to balance both, and how to center both, how to be grounded, and how to be in harmony and balance. Okay, and his happiness is always being in the upper realm, spiritual realm, and always grasping that energy and always being in that divine delightfulness. But he also has the capacity and ability to, within his heart, he is in spiritual realm. But that heart is in the physical body which lives in the earth. So now he knows to balance his duality. This is how he is balancing his duality. Okay, physical form as well as energetic spiritual form. So this is also an union, inner union. Okay, so how maintaining his inner union with harmony and balance is the key of his peace of mind as well as happiness. So this is all the messages from your twin flame. So now let us see what is your twin flame going to take action. Okay, now let us see what is your twin flame going to take action towards you, to come towards you. What is your twin flame going to take action to come towards you? Justice. What I see is justice card is like whatever justice has been already given to you, justice will be served. So whatever has been created for you, it is already there. It's only for you. So God has, see, whatever you have asked for, asked to God, He said, it's already there, it's sanctioned. Now the matter is, have you made yourselves to receive that? So make yourselves eligible enough to receive that. The next moment, that will be whatever you have asked will be in your hand. Justice will be served. For the justice to be served, you have to be eligible enough. Next card is Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is all about becoming independent individual, freedomful individual, and becoming like um, whole and complete by themselves. Whole and complete in all aspects: financial aspect, physical aspect, social aspect, moral aspect, and spiritual aspect. Okay, so you are like earning very abundantly, and you are ready to spend for your own selves, be happy for your own selves. And if you wish, like, I want to go here, I want to go there, I want to purchase this, I want to purchase that, now you are eligible enough, no? So now automatically that happiness, that peace will be there. You need not have to be keeping on sitting and bothering, what will I do for money, what will I do for money? No, no, already you have bank balance. So this is becoming whole and complete. There is no botheration, you are always at peace, and you stay calm, and you attract things and manifest, you don't chase things, and you have become completely independent individual, all means, by all means, with ultimate freedom. Okay, that is the action you are taking towards your twin, because only when you become independent individual, you can march forward towards your twin flame. See, wow, Wheel of Fortune. The whole universe is ready to give you whatever you ask for. The whole universe is ready to create, conspire, okay, for your wish. So luck is in your favor. Co-create everything along with the universe. So develop the connection and communication with the universe. So learn how to ask to the universe and learn to receive from the universe. That is how you co-create your dreams in reality and experience and enjoy it. Now, see, now the universe is ready to gift you with all unknown things. Whatever is about to unfold in your life, universe is ready to give it to you as all surprise gifts, blessings. That is, you see, whatever you have longed for, once you have become your best version, once you have raised your vibration, and once you have become ultimately freedomful, high vibrational, independent individual, then you need not, you would have thought, no, long back, I deserve all these things, these are all my dreams, I want to live all these in reality. What all you thought, now You remember one thing, whether you know this truth or whether you don't know truth, everybody are attractive magnets only. What qualities you have inside, the same qualities you'll attract from outside, because you are a magnet with those qualities only. Okay, so now you are not chasing after anything. So with your high vibrational being, you have become your best version, you have those qualities, and you are attracting all those things which you feel you deserve towards you. Okay, that is the unknown gift. So let us see still what step your twin flame is taking towards you, to come towards you. Wow, strength card. So strength card is they are doing inner work, they are letting go of all their darkness, upheaval is taking place, they are taming themselves with lots of strength and stamina. They're like, whatever does not serve their highest good, they're letting it go. And now they're undergoing completely all type of emotional healing, in the sense inner child trauma healing, inner feminine trauma healing, and inner masculine trauma healing. Okay, okay guys, these are going to be your messages for this April first half. Let us meet in second half. Until then, bye.